You ever notice a woman doesn't miss you when you're gone? She misses you when she sees what took your place. And usually, that's just empty space dressed up as freedom. Most men think making a woman regret losing you means showing her what she's missing. Wrong. That's just begging with extra steps. Real regret doesn't come from performance. It comes from subtraction. From the things you stop doing, the energy you stop giving, the version of yourself you stop offering to someone who didn't want it anyway. Here are 5 moves. Not tricks, not games, just the natural outcome of a man who finally stops auditioning for a role he already lost. Number 1, let her be right about you. She had a story about who you were. Maybe you were too much, maybe not enough, maybe complicated. Whatever label she gave you, just agree with it silently. Don't argue the point. Don't send that long paragraph explaining yourself. Let her keep her narrative. Here's why this works so well. People prepare themselves to miss the version of you they created in their head. When you don't show up to edit that version, they start wondering if they wrote the wrong ending to the story. Confident men don't waste time managing other people's perceptions. They just let those perceptions go bad on their own, like milk left out on the counter. Number 2, build in the dark. She doesn't get to see the gym sessions. She doesn't see the therapy. She doesn't see the books you're reading or the boundaries you're finally setting for yourself. She gets no progress report, no look at me now posts. She gets absolutely nothing. Then, one day, if your paths happen to cross, she gets the finished product. Or even better, she just hears about it from someone else, from a mutual friend, or from that social media profile she can't resist checking at 2 in the morning. That upgrade hits completely different when you weren't invited to the construction site. You see, mystery creates value. Constant access destroys it. She used to have full access. Now, all she has is mystery. That's the trade. Number 3, become expensive. And I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about your energy, your attention, your emotional investment. You used to be free texts, free emotional labor, free availability whenever she felt a little lonely and wanted to connect. Now, there's a cost. And that cost is simple. She has to deserve it. Most guys get this completely wrong. They try to play hard to get, but that's still just performing. It's an act. What I'm talking about is actually being hard to get. Actually having a full, engaging life. Actually having standards that exclude people who have already proven they don't value you. Women feel this shift almost immediately. They might not be able to name it, but they can feel that the price tag went up, and nothing makes you want something more than realizing you used to have it for free. Number 4, stop performing forgiveness. She's expecting that conversation, the talk about closure, the I wish you well moment that lets her completely off the hook. Don't give it to her. Not because you're bitter, but because you're busy. Because forgiveness that comes tied up with a neat little bow is just another way of staying connected. Real forgiveness is indifference. It's not thinking about her enough to even have an opinion. And she tests this. She'll reach out looking for peace of mind, but it's not peace she's looking for. It's confirmation that you're still in her orbit, that she still has a pull on you. Stay out of her orbit. The vacuum of your absence is so much louder than any speech you could ever give about how we reap. And number 5, want nothing from her. This is the one. This is the move that breaks the entire pattern. Most men who try to create regret are secretly still hoping she notices, hoping she reaches out, hoping she feels that sting of loss. That's just neediness wearing a clever disguise. And trust me, women can smell that from a mile away. The man who truly moves on doesn't want a validation. He doesn't want her apology. He doesn't even want her to feel bad. He wants ... absolutely nothing. He's not angry. He's not putting on a show of being indifferent as a strategy. He is actually full. His cup is being filled from new sources. And that completeness, it creates a very specific kind of panic in a woman. It's the panic of realizing you weren't the main character in his story. You were just a chapter. And the book got so much better after you were gone. Let me tell you 5 things a man like this will never tell you directly. First, women don't regret losing men who try to make them regret it. They regret losing men who become irrefutable. Men whose success and growth speak for themselves. Second, he will never show you what you've lost. Instead, you'll have to find out from a distance, just like everybody else. You're no longer on the inside. Third, His growth isn't a message he sends to you. It's a reality he builds for himself, a reality that you have to discover on your own. And discovery requires one thing. You actually have to put in the effort to look over the fence. Fourth, he's not in a hurry to meet your deadline for closure. In fact, he's not the kind of person who needs to be noticed by you at all. His focus is elsewhere. And finally, the less you try to make her regret it, the more she will. Your indifference is the most powerful statement you can make. It proves the story isn't about her anymore. It's about you. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more.